Okay, hey guys. So make sure that you're on an empty project, that you don't have any clips inside. Then click here on the settings button and just switch those two to 1920 and then 80. And you can also save this preset. Just go on presets and save as and call 1080p, and then next time you can just click here and load. It's gonna work with you, or you can just switch it next time. And now if I just put in a clip, when it asks you, don't change this, don't change, and now it's gonna be in vertical format, right? And you can just switch this to 90 degrees and zoom it in, and it's gonna be in vertical profile. So that's it. Have fun.